Hi all, welcome to Cucina with Daniela from The Golden Taste. Today we're gonna make something really sweet, nice and simple, tiramisu with pistachio. The ingredients are granulated pistache, coffee, sugar, mascarpone cheese, ladyfingers, Nutella with pistache, 4 eggs. First things, I'm gonna divide the red from the white of the eggs, and I use just the red one. I'm gonna add now the sugar. We're gonna put on the fire. We pasteurize our eggs and it's coming like a cream. We need the mixer. Okay. Mix now. We can assemble it our tiramisu. I'm gonna add the mascarpone cheese, pistachio, and then we mix it again a little bit. Okay, it's ready. So next step, it's really simple. You can do or with your spoon or you can use a sac approach like you prefer. First, I'm gonna put my long fingers inside the coffee. Then we're gonna add our pizza. We finished up now and we put some more pistache. Put in your fridge and do keep for a few hours before you can enjoy. So our tiramisu with pistachio is made. All the ingredients, of course, and the recipe and how to do below. Read everything, sharing and caring with your friends. Follow my channel on YouTube and TikTok or my Instagram. So let's try together. Delizioso, like always. So see you soon and ciao.